When you ask Siri to identify a song, your history syncs to the Shazam app. First, you need the latest version of Shazam and two-factor authentication set up for your Apple ID. In your iCloud settings, make sure music recognition and Shazam are turned on. Activate Siri and ask, "What song is this?" After Siri identifies the song, tap it to open it in the Shazam app. To see your Shazam history, tap the X in the upper left corner. Then swipe up to see your recent Shazams. To see all the songs you've identified with the Shazam app, music recognition, and Siri, tap Shazams. If you've added music recognition to Control Center, you can touch and hold it to see your Shazam history. Siri and Shazam in perfect harmony.